Hello, my name is Jonathan, and I am your tour guide who will accompany you on the tour trip. This is travel in Santa Rosa de Cabal Terma, a special place to rest with the family and your partner. We are located in Colombia, Antioquia, Pereira. The duration of the trip, you must have a spa day accompanied by a cocktail and a thermal bath. To relax, on the second day you have a horseback ride through the spacious place, and at night you can be accompanied by a night party to relax, accompanied by yoga the next morning. The transportation for the location during the trip you can stay in one of our three hotels. You can enter our thermal areas. To get here you must get to Pereira and enter your facilities by car or motorcycle. During your stay all places are within your reach. What activity to do meme? Uh, you have to do several activities from taking a delicious spa. You could take a thermal bath, or we also have a business center or corporate service. Um, you can place to stay. You must stay at the waterfall hotel, or we have two options plus the hotel. The other terminals, the Rio and Termos de la Montana, are your three options for your stay. And the typical foods, um, you will have a bandeja paisa try if you are paying an exclusive price of hotel, since you can also have banana tots with stepped and others typical foods in the region. Mm, the cost the travel you could have a spa package with a cost of $12 for a time of 4 hours for adults and $6 per child. So have imagines uh, mm, we are spa and expedition thermals or this business service, the place to stay. We can Termales de la Cascada and Termales del Rio, also Termales de la Montaña, and your preference. And thank you for visiting our installations.